Hi, my name is Ashley and I am a patient of Dr. Crifase's. I have been for almost a year now. I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis about a year ago, probably 2 months before I had reached out to him initially. And I've had multiple sclerosis for almost like 4.5 years. When I originally reached out to him, I was having the worst symptoms possible, really. I could barely walk, couldn't see really clearly out of my right eye, which was terrifying. Tingling in my hands and feet, tightness in my stomach, just pretty much every symptom you could get from the MS. And I found him on social media. I was at the time just researching anything I could. I wanted to find a solution, anybody that could help me within their means. I started reading a lot of books, and when I came across his profile, it was super interesting to me because he would make these videos, and it wasn't just, oh, you should eat this, this, and that, or you should do this testing. He actually would break it down so that you can understand what the purpose of it is, how it all ties together. And to me, that was so meaningful because not everybody goes through something like this every day. You know, I was a business owner for 9 years. I'm used to solving problems on a daily basis, and I finally met a match that I couldn't solve on my own. And so I called him and immediately felt so comfortable with his consultation. He made me feel, like he just really wanted to help, was so energetic and passionate, told me his reasoning for becoming this doctor, and kind of helped me put a solution and see a little clearly out of the woods I was in. So after that first consultation, he put me on a plan. We did a lot of testing. I was obviously really skeptical because, everything was so new to me. I didn't know which way to go, but I put my trust in him because he was so friendly and knowledgeable. And I would never take it back. I'm so grateful for all of it because it's made such a huge difference in my life. I don't even know where to start to explain. I guess the best way I could recap it was after I had my last consultation with him, I was able to share the news that my latest MRI had no new lesions, which is incredible because my body was under attack. And some of them had actually gotten smaller, which is not something that happens to everybody. And so I'm forever grateful for that and for all of his hard work getting me on this path. I still have some of my symptoms because they don't always go away, but they're not nearly as bad. I'm working out. I walked 3 miles yesterday with my friend. Been cooking and able to start new businesses and spend time with family. And it's just been such a world of a difference in the last year. I'm just beyond grateful. So with that being said, I would highly recommend you reach out to him. Don't be afraid. He's going to make you so comfortable, and he will think of any way he can help you, whether it's diet, supplements, exercises, stretches, and mentally keeping you strong and positive. He's become even like a friend to me because he's just been so cheerful and cheering me along the way. So I definitely recommend him to friends and family, and now to you, and I hope that he can help you as well. Good luck.